How to use Airplay to screen mirror through VIA. Before we start, we'll make sure we're connected to the CCY Wi-Fi and click on the Control Center at the top of the screen. This will bring down this drop-down panel that you see here and click on Screen Mirroring. It will give you a list of rooms asking which room you're trying to connect to. Select the room that you're currently in. After you selected the room, a pop-up window will appear asking you to enter an Airplay code. You can find that code on the screen. And once you enter that code, click on the Control Center once again and click on Screen Mirroring. You'll see a blue button with an Apple TV icon next to your selected room. Go ahead and click on that blue button to activate screen mirroring.